I don't want to have a Neo in the river. Oh, that was a long walk. I literally just had to cross the river in my bare feet. Coco, come here. Wait for me. You can kind of direct this where you want it. I'll move that way, it moves that way. Right, there's a river there, so let's go this way. Come on, bud, this way. I must say, it does a really good job. The sun's going to come out again in a minute. What a lovely September. Well, the first half was shit, but this one seems to be good. I don't know how long it'll last. I think it's going to cloud over Sunday, and I'm going out riding Sunday, annoyingly, and then I think we got rain Monday, ready for work. Great. Now you're going to tell me you're low on battery. Out of the wind now. Coach, you're not on film if you're all that way in front, mate. Probably quite a good shot in this, in the sun. Hear it flying backwards and me in the sun. Bit of a boring video though, but can you imagine walking along a lovely beach or something like that? It'd be great. Right, there's wild horses over there and two girls. Looks like they're trying to get on the bloody things. Stop that. Right, wet dog. Oh, bit of wind there. I don't know how long I've got left. Let's have a look. Minute and a half. It'll probably get me to the end of here, which is where the road is. And I'll stop. Right, can it get through these big oak trees? Yep. Oh, there's a little bubba. A little foal. That's why the girls are over there. Watch what you're doing, bud. You can't, can you? He's just literally keeping me in shot and flying backwards. Alright, I'm nearly at the end of my walk. I don't know how many steps I've done. Nearly 14,000. Not bad. But my bloody knees hurting. How long have we got left on battery? Looking at a plane. Light plane. I might post this, I don't know. Let's see. Right at the end of the walk before I get on the road, so had some good shots out of it. Now I can charge it when I get home.
Low battery warning.
Right, low battery warning, and it's set it on here, so